A hearing in Lansing today aimed at trying to find out whether nursing home deaths in Michigan were altered to make it seem like fewer people were dying during those first months of the pandemic last year. As Grant Herms shows us, that hearing, though, took a turn toward more personal testimony.
In a hearing, state representatives called for changes and answers about Michigan's COVID policies and nursing homes. Lawmakers saying they've been given the runaround from the State Department of Health on critical data.
I'm just a simple guy, but in my mind, if you have the best data out there, wouldn't you share it with people?
MDHHS officials chose not to testify, but in a letter did tell committee members the state has, quote, consistently implemented the most accurate reporting protocols with the goal of maintaining quality death data. Michigan's policy has long been a source of contention for state Republicans, nursing homes opting into a plan in which they were paid to accept stable COVID patients as long as they had a separate COVID wing and protections set up. The plan was backed by medical experts, the CDC, and the AARP over the course of the pandemic. Michigan's nursing home COVID death numbers are above the national average, and new numbers from the New York Times this week showing those deaths make up nearly a third of all COVID deaths in Michigan. There has been no evidence, however, the state is undercounting or underreporting long-term care COVID deaths. Beyond the statistics, witnesses called for a change to the visitation policies as those in long-term care get vaccinated. One woman alongside her son broke down while talking about her husband's nearly year-long isolation.
As many times as I've told him, I'm sure he doesn't understand why we're not in there, why I'm standing at a window waving and yelling through a window, "Greg, hello, I love you," when I go for my window visits. It's impossibly hard.
The virus continuing to take its toll as a grim anniversary approaches. In Detroit, Grant Herms, Local 4.
Michigan Republicans have called for a full investigation into the nursing home policy. The Trump administration's Department of Justice started their own last fall.